back to Easy Byte. In this video, we are covering the top 50 computer fundamentals MCQs, perfect for interviews and quick revision. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. Let's get started.
The word computer is derived from which language? Options are French, English, Latin, and Greek. Option C is correct. The word computer comes from the Latin word computere, which means to calculate or count. Who is known as the father of computers? Options are Ken Thompson, Charles Babbage, John Napier, and Steve Jobs. Option B is correct. Charles Babbage is called the father of computer because he designed the first mechanical computing machine. Which machine is considered the first mechanical computer? Options are ENIAC, Abacus, Analytical Engine, and Difference Engine. Option D is correct. The difference engine, designed by Charles Babbage, was the first mechanical computer used to perform calculations automatically. Which principle best describes computer processing? Options are FIFO, GIGO, LIFO, and MIMO. Option B is correct. GIGO means garbage in, garbage out, which explains the computers give wrong output if the input is wrong. The first generation of computer used which technology? Options are transistors, integrated circuit, vacuum tubes, and microprocessors. Option C is correct. First generation computers used vacuum tubes which made them large and generated a lot of heat. Expand the term CPU. Options are Central Programming Unit, Central Processing Unit, Control Processing Unit, and Central Power Unit. Option B is correct. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit, which controls and processes all operations in a computer. Which part of computer is called its brain? Options are RAM, CPU, ROM, and GPU. Option B is correct. The CPU is called the brain of computer because it performs all decision making and processing tasks. What does ALU stands for? Options are Advanced Logic Unit, Arithmetic Logic Unit, Applied Logic Unit, and Automatic Logic Unit. Option B is correct. The ALU performs all arithmetic calculations and logical decision inside the CPU. Which unit directs and coordinates all operations of the CPU? Options are ALU, MU, CU, and EU. Option C is correct. The control unit directs and manages all CPU operations and instructions execution. Which unit is called the processing engine of a computer? Options are control unit, CPU, RAM, and BIOS. Option B is correct. The CPU is also called the processing engine because it executes instructions and perform calculations. RAM is what type of memory? Options are temporary, permanent, optical, and magnetic. Option A is correct. RAM is temporary memory used to store data while programs are running. ROM stores options are temporary file, music file, permanent instructions, and images. Option C is correct. ROM permanently stores system instruction needed to start and run the computer. Which memory is the fastest? Options are RAM, cache, hard disk, and SSD. Option B is correct. Cache memory is the fastest memory because it is located close to the CPU for quick access. 1 byte contains options are 4 bits, 8 bits, 12 bits, and 16 bits. Option B is correct. 1 byte consists of 8 bits, which is the basic unit of data in computers. 1 kilobyte equals options are 1024 bytes, 1000 bytes, 512 bytes, and 2048 bytes. Option A is correct. 1 kilobyte is equal to 1024 bytes due to binary numbering used in computer. 1 gigabyte is equal to options are 1024 MB, 1000 MB, 512 MB and 2048 MB. Option A is correct. 1 gigabyte is equal to 1024 megabytes according to binary memory units. Which of the following is an input device? Options are printer, monitor, keyboard, and speaker. Option C is correct. A keyboard is an input device used to enter text and commands into a computer. Which of the following is an output device? Options are scanner, printer, mouse, and microphone. Option B is correct. The printer is an output device that provides printed result on papers. Which device is used to convert physical documents into digital format? Options are printer, scanner, speaker, and monitor. Option B is correct. A scanner converts physical documents and images into digital format. Speakers are used to convert. Options are visual signals to audio, data to video, digital signal to sound, and sound to text. Option C is correct. Speakers convert digital signals into audible sound outputs. An operating system is classified as options are hardware, firmware, system software, and application software. Option C is correct. An operating system is a system software that manages hardware and applications. Which of the following is not an operating system? Options are Windows, Linux, Android, and Oracle. Option D is correct. Oracle is a database software and not an operating system. MS Word belongs to which software category? Options are operating system, application software, device driver, and system utility. Option B is correct. MS Word is a word processing application used to create documents. The default extension of a Microsoft Word file is options are .txt, .docx, .pptx, and .xlsx. Option B is correct. The default file extension for Microsoft Word document is .docx. What does LAN stands for? Options are Large Area Network, Local Area Network, Line Access Network, and Linked Area Net. Option B is correct. A LAN connects computer within a small geographical area like a home or office. Who invented the World Wide Web? Options are Tim Berners-Lee, Bill Gates, Elon Musk, and James Gosling. Option A is correct. Tim Berners-Lee invented the World Wide Web in 1989. A URL refers to options are computer memory location, web address, file extension, and error message. Option B is correct. A URL specifies the address of a web page on the internet. Google Chrome is an example of options are web browser, operating system, database, and programming tool. Option A is correct. Google Chrome is a web browser used to access website and online content. PDF stands for Portable Document Format, Program Data File, Public Data Folder, and Personal Document File. Option A is correct. PDF stands for Portable Document Format and preserves documents layout for sharing. USB stands for Universal Serial Bus, Unit Software Board, User Serial Backup, and Unix System Bridge. Option A is correct. USB is a universal connector standard used to connect storage devices and peripherals. Shortcut to print the current page. Options are Ctrl plus P, Ctrl plus Shift plus P, Ctrl plus Alt plus P, and Ctrl plus R. Option A is correct. Ctrl plus P opens the print dialog box. Shortcut to open a document. Options are Ctrl plus O, Ctrl plus N, Ctrl plus Shift plus N, and Alt plus N. Option B is correct. Shortcut to select all. Options are Ctrl plus S, Ctrl plus A, Control plus F and Control plus D. Option B is correct. Control plus A selects all text or content in a document or window. Shortcut to refresh a page or window. Options are F2, Control plus R, F5 and Shift plus F5. Option C is correct. F5 refreshes or reloads the current window, page or document. What is phishing? Options are a data storage method, a online fraud attempt, a code technique, and a printing method. Option B is correct. Phishing is a cyber attack that tricks the user to steal login and financial information. Errors in a program are called options are bugs, virus, loops, and codes. Option A is correct. Bugs are error in program that causes incorrect result or system issue. What is antivirus software used for? Options are drawing and design, protecting from malware, installing OS, and file compression. Option B is correct. Antivirus software protects and removes viruses and malicious programs from computers. Which device act as the brain of a computer's graphic processing? Options are GPU, CPU, RAM, and SSD. Option A is correct. A GPU, graphics processing unit, handles graphics, video rendering, and visual processing tasks. Which part of computer stores the BIOS setting? Options are hard disk, CMOS, RAM, and ROM. Option B is correct. CMOS store BIOS settings such as date, time, and hardware configuration. CPU speed is measured in options are megabyte, megabits per second, gigahertz, and kilobits per second. Option C is correct. CPU speed is measured in gigahertz, indicating how many billions of cycles it executes per second. A computer cannot operate without options are printer, operating system, mouse, and UPS. Option B is correct. A computer cannot work without an operating system because it controls hardware and software. Which of the following is a secondary storage device? Options are RAM, hard disk, cache, and register. Option B is correct. A hard disk is a secondary storage device used to permanently store data. Which device is used to store data permanently? Options are RAM, ROM, pen drive, and CPU. Option C is correct. A pen drive is a portable storage device used to store data permanently. Which type of computer is used for scientific research and weather forecasting? Options are microcomputer, supercomputer, laptop, and tablet. Option B is correct. Supercomputers are used for complex scientific calculations, simulations, and weather forecasting. Which of the following is the main logical unit of a computer? Options are monitor, ALU, keyboard, and printer. Option B is correct. The ALU performs arithmetic and logical operations, making it the main logical unit of a computer. Which port is commonly used to connect a keyboard and mouse in a modern computer? Options are VGA, USB, serial, and PS by 2. Option B is correct. USB ports are commonly used in modern computers to connect devices like keyboard and mice. Which device connect multiple computers in a network? Options are router, UPS, CPU, and projector. Option A is correct. A router connects multiple devices to create a network and provide internet access. Which number system is used by computer internally? Options are decimal, binary, octal, and hexadecimal. Option B is correct. Computers uses the binary number system which consists of only zeros and ones. Which software load first when the computer starts? Options are browser, application software, operating system, and antivirus. Option C is correct. Operating system loads first during boot up to manage hardware and software. Which component helps the computer retain date and time even when power off? Options are CPU, CMOS battery, RAM, and hard disk. Option B is correct. The CMOS battery stores BIOS setting and keep the system clock running when the computer is off. How many did you get right? Comment below your scores and any questions you have. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Easy Byte. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring.